Hi. So this morning I saw that my hair is looking a bit weird in a nice way though, because I slept with wet hair last night and it looks like this right now. No. It doesn't. It didn't look like this actually at first. I brushed it now and I used some conditioners. So now it looks like this. Well, my hair is free and the strings can go whenever they want. Okay? It's all fine. Yeah. I just wanted to, I don't know, make another video, a very dumb video, not like my last video that was actually about some vintage cameras. I'm just a bit bored and I want to distract myself from my thoughts, so um, I just want to show you my dorm room closet. It's a very dumb thing to do. I know that. Well, whatever. So, this is my closet. From here to here. What do we have here? Nothing special, to be honest. Oh. Don't laugh. Or laugh if you like. So, first of all, we're going to this one. This itself, it was a present, a gift to me for my birthday from my friend, one of my very close friends. And I think I should just put the camera here, right? It's much better. We have a rose made of paper, a comb, so many pens. Oh, this pen was also a gift from a very close friend. Why do I have so many blue pens here? I don't know. A marker and highlighters and my brushes, which I haven't used for a long time. I should start painting again, I don't know. Another small gift, again from a very close friend. This is actually handmade, though the friend that gave me, they did not do this, they just bought from another friend that made this, okay? And a bookmark with a Japanese haiku that was translated to, it was translated to Persian by Sohrab Seferbi, one of the greatest poets. Super glue, no. We have this super glue, but they actually don't work that much. I've used it when my previous glasses broke and it didn't fix them. A lot of hair, what is it called? Hair ties or hair bands, I don't know what you call it. So it's over now. Let's just pack it up later. Tablets. I have some iron tablets that I don't take. I mean, I really forget it. Never mind. A high definition primer. Actually, I don't know if it really works or not for my pores. Hey, look, I have a star on my nose. I guess I already did a bluish makeup. Ah, Turkish coffee. Really nice. Oh, I don't like this angle. I think it's better a bit, right? Okay. What do we have here? Just a cream for my skin that I don't use. My hairbrush. And my makeup bag was a white eyeliner, a blue eyeliner that I got from a friend, and oh, look. I was looking, I was showing this one, yeah, whatever. Oh, let's just let's color my lips a bit. I look so different even with just a little tiny bit of lipstick. I don't know why. I don't like this. When I remove my makeup every time, it seems like I'm just another person, a different one. I don't want to show you what's in this, just normal stuff. Well, why I still have this body deodorant, which is out of deodorant. Trash. Another trash. Well, there is my, yeah, you know that, my daily small pads. Period pads. Blech. Nothing important. And I have Uno. Well, I actually won this in an exhibition. I was really proud. Oh, I have some posters. Year 5! But I printed them. Yay! My favorite notebook. Just look at this. It is so pretty, right? And it's related to my field of study. Yeah, I'm gonna be a neuroscientist. A suicidal one. Well, just if, before I become one, I don't kill myself. I have this one that I put my accessories in it. Well, there are some other ones out there that I don't want to show you. Too lazy. There's this little ring that my friend made it from wood, and I love it so much. This cutie thing that one of my greatest friends gave me as a gift. I love this one. And this that I've shown you in my previous video about the cameras. This is my mom's watch that I love it so much. And I also adore these ones. Some earrings made of seashells. Oh, they look so cute, right? And this one, just watch this. One of my friends actually made it. So I just sent them a picture and I wanted them to make it for me. And they made it exactly like the picture. I mean, the shape, the size, and the colors are all the same. They're just so good at it. I'm so proud and I love this. Another gift. Well, actually, I have so many memories with this one. It's a gift from a loved one that we no longer talk. I don't know why. I know. And stars and moon. No, it's just a star and a moon earrings. I kind of feel like sometimes my accent sounds like Scottish accent. I don't know. And the music, the rhythm that comes at the end of my sentences. I don't know. Some fake piercings, and that's all. Oh. Another gift. Not from a lover though, it was just from a friend. Oh, I need to show you another gift, so wait for me. Wait for me. Okay, so this is another gift that I love so much from a very dear friend. And these are gifts from my mom's. Mom's? Oh no, I mean my mom. I adore this one. Why do I have so many gifts? Another gift that is from my uncle that they are karate sensei. I also used to do karate and I also got my black belt, but I don't know why. I was so stupid to quit it. This is a fine damn cup of coffee. Where are my donuts and my cherry pie? So it's almost done. I have this basket that I put some stuff in it. It's a calcium plus. Actually, I love this one. It tastes great. It has calcium, magnesium. I don't know if I'm spelling right. Zinc and vitamin D3, and magnesium. I don't know. So effervescent tablets. Effervescent. This is my first time saying this word. Body splash. It smells absolutely great. Well, I just got this one because I was out of these makeup remover, but well, actually, in fact, I don't need these ones because a real clown always has their makeup on. I was out of this one, then my friend got me this one. I don't know why I'm keeping this one, so it's trash. Another gift from friend. Another gift. I don't know why I'm keeping this, but I will keep this. This is a gift from my mom. I bought this for myself. And all my perfumes are for men. All my perfumes are for men, except for this one, my Body Splash. And my eyeshadow palette that I love so much. Well, and my very precious things. A very precious friend gave me this one, watercolor, and this is also watercolor, but it was my first material that I bought for myself when I wanted to start painting watercolor paintings. And then my friend got me this one, which is actually a good one. I haven't used this very much, but I really need to start painting again. Another pack of pads. I fucking hate menstruation. Like, I don't even want child or anything. It just, all it does is make me suffer and bleed and ache and let's have another sip of coffee. A fine damn cup of coffee. Show you. Remember this one? Well, it was sent to me with another really cute chick, a Luffy chick. Oh god, I love this one. So these both are made by my friend. My friend made these. My friend made these both for me, and I'm so grateful. I love this one. I'm actually afraid to use it because I am really careless, and I'm afraid that I might lose it or something. And also they were sent to me with a really cute note. Another gift from one of my greatest friends. Oh, look at this. I love these ones. And nothing special here. Okay. Let's go to the books. Let's go to the books. Okay. I have other books of this author at home, but just this one at dorm. Edgar Allan Poe, that he was inspired by Edgar Allan Poe. Okay, let me tell you that I stole this book. This book was stolen by me. I'm a book thief. And from where? From library. Well, because I couldn't find this book nowhere on the website that used to sell it, they didn't bring it anymore. So yeah, just this one. I'm not sorry. So yeah, I was talking about this one, and Edogawa Edogawa Rampo, if I'm saying it right, and he was inspired by Edgar Allan Poe, and he has fascinating short stories in crime and mystery genre. So I haven't completed this one yet, I think. Look at this one. It's another gift from a shop that I haven't bought anything from, but they send me actually gifts. So the book is called, actually, the book was translated from Japanese into French by Jean-Christian Bouvert, if I'm saying it right. I don't know French. And translated in Persian by Mahmoud Gudarzi, okay? So the book is called Shikar va Tariki. And the French name is La Poire et l'Ombre. Messed up. I don't know well. And the English translation was Beast in the Shadows. Yeah. And oh, by the way, there are some cute things inside this book between the pages. Look at these two. I made this, and what are they? These are bookmarks. These are so cute, right? And look at the colors. Oh, these bookmarks are mainly made for reading this book. And look how they fit in the pages. Let me show you. Well, let me go with the black one. It goes like this. Isn't it adorable? Well, I actually made these two watching a video on YouTube that I will put the link below, of course. And this book named Mononoke. Mononoke actually means Ruhe Khashmgin, or a furious spirit in English, okay? And I bought this book, but I actually don't know what it is about. It says Mystery of Things, and I haven't read this book yet, but I want to make a video on this one because I think it'll be kind of interesting, okay? Another book, a really famous one, White Nights. I haven't read it yet, and I think this one is a really cute and entertaining and emotional. I haven't started yet. Well, I just buy books and pile them up. I really need to read these books. Stephen Hawking's A Briefer History of Time. I didn't actually ordered A Brief History of Time, but they sent me A Briefer History of Time. I haven't read this one yet. And The Grand Design, which is here, well, I have actually read some pages, but well, you know, it wasn't as great as I was thinking it would be, though I haven't completed it yet, but it's a nice book. It's a real nice book. Yuval Noah Harari, which I think everyone knows about this book. I actually really was entertained by this book. Really well written, and I haven't completed this one too, but I plan on completing it because it's really entertaining, and It has really some good things to say. This was a gift from a very close friend that I think I've lost now because we haven't spoken in a long time, because I was too depressed to respond to them on social media, and so they got disappointed at me, which totally makes sense. So this is a precious one and I love it. Neil Gaiman, well, he's a god himself, right? The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. Well, I haven't started yet too. Well, you know what? Let's make a plan. I start reading these books, thinking about making videos of these books and talking even nonsense about them. Will kind of motivate me to actually start reading them. So yeah, let's make this plan. And this book is just a motivational one that Ikigai is just well, a Japanese way of living that they believe. Well, is that okay? Let me. The people of Japan believe that everyone has an ikigai, a reason to jump out of bed each morning. Well, making this video was my ikigai, I guess, today. Well, ikigai is made from 4 main concepts that everyone has for them in their lives, and they must find them. Ikigai, okay, it's made of: this is your life, what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Okay, and these all 4 together will show you that what you should do in your life, like as a job, or yeah, of course as a job. So so it's passion, mission, vocation, and profession. Okay, so remember this one that my friend ordered from another friend that made this, and they also made this. I'm a fairy now. I love these ones. Okay, so so I bought this notebook because I was so unmotivated, like always, and so I wanted to make a personal self-made planner. I just did it once, and well, I didn't have more motivation to do it more. But I painted some things in here with watercolor, and this one. Oh, look at these. And it's done. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with this notebook, which I love. Okay, so I have some of my paintings with me, not all of them, and I want to show. This Kakyoin one, it's a disaster. It was, oh my god, I don't want to show it. But this Rowan one is actually good, I think. I love it. And this ramen plate. Ta-da! I really need to paint again, right? I love this one. Look at this. And an emotional one. If you have watched JoJo Part 2, it's not a spoiler. Shiza. You know, I really love this shape of noses that I use in my drawings. I love noses in this shape when they have this little bone here. And an eye of a dragon. A dragon eye. A dragon eye. And of course, if you have watched JoJo Part 5, this is Bruno Bucciarati. Bruno Bucciarati. I don't know. Bucciarati, Bucciarati, Bucciarati. My hair actually looks perfect. I hope it was like this all the time. I think I should sleep with wet hair every night. A very precious gift from my friend, that the same person that bought me this and so many other things. So this is Bocchi. If you have watched Ranking of the Kings, Osama Ranking, this character is from that anime. I love this one. And I also have a very big gift from the same person that gave me this one that I have at home, and it's actually a Gintama digital painting. It's amazing. I can't describe it in words. Thank you, Ami. Actually, we don't talk much, but I really think about most of my friends every day, and I really love them. What other things do we have here? Okay, painted 2 big bookmarks that I adore them. I don't remember the things that I've written here, but I try to write them well. I love these two. And this is a print. It's this way. I actually painted this one that a friend asked me. Actually, they ordered. This is a print of my painting. So, yeah. Hinata shouyo. And there are some sushi here. Look. And hamburger. Damn, I think I should start again. I really did good work, right? I used to love painting foods with watercolor. Like, I was so passionate about it that I thought I'm gonna be a food illustrator, but, well, depression. What do we have here? Some stickers. And there are some letters from my friends.